Tiramisu, a classic Italian coffee-flavored dessert. It's made with ladyfingers, savoiardi biscuits, soaked in coffee syrup, rich mascarpone cheese, and whipped cream or beaten egg whites. This time I decided to make my tiramisu with whipped cream. But you can also make it with beaten egg whites, like traditional tiramisu. This coffee rusk tiramisu is made with cake rusks soaked in excellent coffee, layered with mascarpone cream cheese. To be honest, it's one of the best desserts I've made this year. Its simplicity and the rich flavor it delivers in return make it a special dessert. Tiramisu, and I've been making it for years, is easily one of the best desserts available. The soaked rusks are then covered with layers of sweet vanilla and mascarpone cream cheese. Tiramisu is also made with rusks and even rich tea biscuits. This is not authentic in any way, as the traditional method uses ladyfingers. But you can use ladyfingers here too if you prefer. For the filling, in a large bowl, add the cold heavy whipping cream and half of the sugar and whisk on the lowest speed for a few minutes. Add the remaining half of the sugar and vanilla and continue whisking until we get a slightly thickened cream. But before the soft peak stage, in a medium bowl, whisk for a few minutes on the lowest speed until smooth. Set aside. Add the whipped cream cheese and continue whisking the cream cheese whipping cream mixture on the lowest speed until we get soft peaks. Refrigerate the mixture. Coffee for dipping. In a medium shallow bowl, combine the coffee with lukewarm water and stir until the coffee granules dissolve. Making the tiramisu. Dip each rusk in the coffee mixture, turning to coat both sides. Arrange in a single layer in a square or rectangular dish. Break a rusk to fill in any gaps if needed. Semolina rusks are very absorbent and don't break easily when dipped in coffee. For ladyfingers, we usually dip them quickly. But with semolina rusks, make sure to thoroughly dip each side of the rusk in the coffee. Otherwise it will taste dry. I used instant coffee powder. But you can brew 1 cup of very strong coffee or use a cup of espresso. If you want to use alcohol, add some coffee liquor to the dipping coffee. I always had some filling left over because my dish wasn't very deep. If you are using a deeper dish than mine, I would recommend using 2 cups of heavy whipping cream instead of 1.5 cups for a creamier tiramisu. Spread half of the cream cheese whipping cream filling over the first layer of coffee dipped rusks. Smooth the filling with a spatula. Place the second layer of coffee-dipped rusks on top of the filling. Break some rusks to fill in and complete the layer if needed. If there is any coffee mixture left, pour it over the rusks. Spread the remaining filling on top. Smooth with a spatula. Cut out a thin paper stencil and sprinkle some cocoa powder through a sieve over the top. So we will have 4 layers: rusk, and filling. Cover with foil or a lid and refrigerate overnight or for at least 12 hours. When ready to serve, remove from the refrigerator. Remove the foil cover and slice and serve immediately. It tastes best when served cold. It's an elegant dessert that portrays the delicacy of simplicity. The sweetness and richness is balanced by the coffee and cocoa. Tiramisu has been one of my all-time favorite desserts.